Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to tie a clay beaded bracelet like this one. This applies to any stretchy beaded bracelet, so let's get into it. Your first step is going to be to string up your beads however you like to do that, whether that's with a bead spinner, link in my description, or by hand. So currently I'm using 0.8 stretchy string because that is what I have to use, plus it's easier for you to see, but you can use anywhere between 0.5 to 0.8, and that's what I would recommend. I wouldn't recommend anything thicker than 0.8 because the wider the string gets, you'd think the stronger it would get, but it actually breaks easier depending on the quality of string you have. So after you have strung your beads up however you like, I am going to make an X with the string, and then you're going to pull one through the loop. So you're basically just tying a knot. But before you pull it so that the beads are close together like you're tempted to, you're going to tie another knot. So you're going to make that X and pull it through this loop so that you've got this sort of looking thing, and then you're going to take it and you're going to slowly pull it very carefully, and then you're going to tug it to tighten that knot. So you see how clay beads, they'll just cover up that knot once I'm done and I've cut off this excess string because they have a really large hole, so it makes it really nice. So before I finish it off for sure, I'm going to tie it a few more times, just a normal knot. Doesn't have to be like the original one we did. Just tie knots with those and pull it pretty tight so that it doesn't come unraveled. Something I like to do is I like to add some super glue right here, but that is kind of the whole thing. So I'm gonna add some super glue, and then we're gonna cut the string pretty close, but not all the way next to the knot. So when I super glue this, I'm gonna pull those apart so that I'm not getting any glue on those beads initially. And then I'm gonna just put enough glue on that knot that it covers the whole thing. Now you can sit and hold this out if you don't want it to touch. For me, I don't mind too much, so I just let it rest like that. And sometimes I'll even squeeze those beads together so that it sits how I want it to. But really, you're just gonna let that dry. And of course, because of these extra beads I have, it's going to be shaped like this unless you're wearing it. In general, it's going to look like a circle like this when you're done. But because of those extra beads I added, it is gonna be a little wonky of a shape. So don't let that bother you, because once you put it on, it looks just the same as these ones. But that's something else to keep in mind. Okay, so now that it's dry, I'm going to just pull these off of it, and I'm going to cut the string as close as I can to the knot. And then you can kind of just pull and tug at the bracelet and make it the shape that you want it to be. Again, it's going to be a little bit weirder of a shape because of the beads I put on, but once I wear it, it is normal. So I really like how this bracelet turned out. You can see the knot right here. If you don't add super glue and you feel confident about your knot not falling apart, which is a good play, but I like doing this just in case. Or if you have smaller thread, it will hide more between the beads. But for me, I used the thicker like stretchy string, and I used some super glue, so it's going to be a little bit more like that. But this is how you would tie and finish a stretchy clay beaded bracelet. So I hope that this helped, and have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.